Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of our class. In this video, I'll be reviewing the activities for this week. Of course, as always, we have an overview for the class of the activities, due dates, format, and grading percentage for our different learning items this week, as well as our outcomes and introduction. We have a list of required and recommended resources for this week. And of course, in our instructor guidance, we have some great documents and resources for finalizing your final project. There are some lesson examples, some tips on creating sites and building your online content. Also, a refresher as to where we're at in the final project progression. In our first discussion question this week, you'll be creating your website or continuing to build your website and incorporating these items that you see listed here. And of course, there are some links to some various sources where you might want to host your lesson. And in our second discussion forum, you will be reviewing these websites and locating a website that has a lesson similar to yours to help inspire some ideas for your own lesson. And then our week 4 journal is just a personal reflection on your progress toward creating your final project. And then for our assignment this week, you will be answering some questions based on your reading from the textbook. But I did want to just make a special note here that you are to write this response in an essay format. So you will not be typing the questions and answering the questions, but you'll be writing a paper. Following APA guidelines, you'll have an introduction to the paper, transitions between the paragraphs, and then a conclusion summarizing your main points from the paper. Again, make sure to review the grading rubric as always. And if you have any questions about our material for this week, please let me know. Thank you and have a wonderful day.